That's a pretty sounding church. We're back to 1996 and we're in Virginia City.
And guess what, boys? Another train trip.
Yep.
Virginia and Truckee Railroad. Go on, you go across. And here it comes.
If you've seen my earlier video where we visit the California State Railroad Museum, I said that the Virginia and Truckee Railroad would become very special to me. Well, this day is the reason why. On having a look around the locomotive, we got talking to Fireman Dave and Engineer Cal, and they invited my dad and I to ride in the cab with them for the whole trip to Gold Hill and back. Sadly, my brother was too young to go in the cab, being only 5 years old, but for 9-year-old me and my dad, it was pretty amazing.
Here they go.
I don't know who this guy was, but he was helpful. And there's Dave there with
Okay,
us.
Simon.
Simon and Tom.
Mom. Here we go.
Tom, come forward.
All right, and the little guy needs to stand right there. There you go. Now get your head in the sun. There you go. All right, that's the way to do it.
Lovely.
All right.
Yeah.
You guys
Don't have a
like
look in.
trains?
Don't have a look in.
Watch Thomas the Tank Engine.
Thomas the Tank Engine. I'm 9 years old, I'm far too old for that.
Pretty hot, huh? Where are you going? On vacation, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, where are you going while you're here?
All over the place.
All over everything.
What do you think? We're going to have a ride.
There you go. Also, the top of your head gets uncovered.
And there's Cal.
If they catch on.
They sat me on an upturned bucket with a little towel over it, which was surprisingly comfortable.
Come ahead.
Put it forward. Well, that's the only mistake.
My dad didn't include the outward journey in the video, as we were going backwards. So here we are at Gold Hill, running around the train. And there's Mum and Tom.
Be careful, kind of kid.
Pulling away out of Gold Hill, the engine's working hard going up the grade, so that's pretty awesome. I seem pretty comfortable, don't you think? Now just coming up, Cal said to me, "Simon, can you reach that up there?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Right, now give it a good pull."
Here we are.
Cheerio.
Hey.
That's a rare sight of my dad in the video. He's usually behind the camera. Now it's the next day, and here's Tom ringing the bell on the oldest working steam locomotive in the world. Whether that's still the case or not, I'm not sure. We're in Carson City at the Navada State Railroad Museum.
Carson City Railroad Museum this morning. Early start, as you can see.
Remember this the rest of their life.
Yes, absolutely.
The bell on the world's oldest operating steam locomotive. We'll have it out on the 4th of July.
Yes.
For 4 days. That's it.
We better come back then, haven't we? Nice little one. That's more your size, Tom, isn't it? That's more your size, that one. You'd like to drive that one. You're going to sit down on it, are you?
I'm not sure if I'd seen Buster Keaton in The General by this point. I probably had.
Where are we? Right. Right, come on then.
Here's some bonus footage from 2 years later when we returned to the USA. We didn't ride it this time, but we were just passing through and were lucky enough to catch the train at Gold Hill.
Where are we?
Virginia.
Virginia City.
Yeah.
Alright, Tom?
Yeah, come on.
Go in. Ready?
Well, that's it for this time. Please, for more train stuff, some model train stuff and other fun stuff, please subscribe.